Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'd like to send you an invitation along with Terry at Be Creative or the Tapping Flamingo. She has two channels. We are hosting a challenge to use recycled jeans, a pair of your old jeans, a pair your kids have grown out of, your favorite jeans that don't fit you anymore, whatever, into something for a doll. And that can be anything. I made him these jeans. I made her this, oh, it's kind of crooked on her, little coveralls. And I also made her these shoes a while back. I didn't make these today. And you can make anything you want. I cut these off of the bottom of some farm pants because I needed the big pockets, and these were a little short on me, and who wants that at your ankle? Anyway, and this is what I am planning to use. We would like to invite you on the 17th of July, and you can use blue jeans or leggings. We don't care. I use a lot of leggings. In fact, I use so many leggings that I buy them when they're on sale at Walmart just for the fabric. One thing about the recycled jeans is that you don't have to worry. They've been washed and dried and washed and dried, and you don't have to worry about them on your dolls. We're doing this on July 17th. If you'll upload your video, 10 o'clock or thereabouts, or any time of day. And again, that's Terry at Tapping Flamingo or Be Creative. And if you don't know her channel, take a good look at her. Terry is very creative. She makes jewelry, she makes doll items, she sews for dolls, and she's also the co-creator of a Virtual Blythe Convention. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.